Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to work on zigzag pattern. For the pattern we need to have a multiple of 12 plus 13 plus 2 for 8, and for setup row what we have to do, we have to start by knit all stitches. So means that just for first row or setup row, just knit all stitches. Then in row, the next row, until your desired length, you are going to repeat only one pattern in each row. But for the first one, as I told you, we have to knit all stitches. Right. Let me show it in the pattern. This is the zigzag. We are going to work on that, but it doesn't really matter from row 1 to row or each row you want. What we have to do is going to repeat that one. We always take the first one, then knit 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This, the first one, considered as the edge, but you are going to knit 6. Then you are going to knit together these two. After that, we knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you are going to increase the stitch. Insert your hook here, knit. Before you take it out, insert the hook in the middle and make 1 stitch. So it means you are going to increase 1. Then knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After increasing, we knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again we knit together. Now it's time to knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to increase. Insert my hook here, grab the yarn. Before I take it out, I knit 1 more. So it means this stitch becomes 2. Again, knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After increasing, you are going to knit 5. Then knit together. Now knit 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each row, when it comes to the end, you are going to have 2 stitches left. This is the one you are going to increase. Insert the hook here, grab the yarn. Before you take it out, insert your hook in the middle and make 1 more. And the last one as an edge. This is the way you are going to repeat in each row. Let me just make 1 more row for you. As I told you, in each row you are going to, when you start the pattern, like I told you, after few rows you are going to have a zigzag. Don't worry in the beginning if you don't show the zigzag, but after few rows it's gonna be appear. So again, what I have to do, I'm going to take the first one, then start by knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It means that for the beginning, only in the beginning we are going to have 6 knit instead of this one as an edge. We have 6 only in the beginning. When it goes to the middle, always you are going to knit 5 before to knit together. Now after 6, I'm going to make 2 together, then knit 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it's time to increase. I insert my hook in here, grab the yarn before I take it, insert the hook here and then make it in 2. From now on we repeat by knit 5, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then knit 2 stitch together, then knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it's time to increase. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then knit together, 1, 2, 3, 4. As I told you, at the end you are going to have 2 stitches left. Before you take the edge, you are going to increase and the edge. That's all. You are going to repeat this one in each row. After a few rows, you are going to have a zigzag and beautiful pattern. And as you can see here, almost front side and back side the same. This is really nice and easy to knit. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.